Learn how to manage your chat preferences on learnquran.net with ease. First, log into learnquran.net and click on the chat menu in the header. This will take you to the Messenger page. Select a user you've chatted with from the list. By default, every user is set to no preference, meaning that after exceeding the daily message limit, they can no longer send you messages. To block a user, select the marked icon. This will prevent any messages from being sent or received from that user. If you want to whitelist a user, simply change their status. A whitelist user can send messages even after exceeding the daily message limit. Take control of your communication preferences on learnquran.net and stay connected with us.